It's recording right now.
Look, we got one.
It's alright. Oops, get it. Nope. And it fell out, damn it. I don't know if I can get like that, man. It ain't doing it, dude. I'd have to lean like this. Hold on. Something. Come on, you bring it.
Got it.
Like that?
That looks good. That's it.
Yeah, it's all good.
It ain't recording us.
Yeah, it is.
Right now?
You see that dot blinking?
Oops.
They can hear everything we're saying, man. This federal offense.
So can the birds. The birds.
Motherfuckers get feasting.
Hungry birds. It's gonna fall.
Nah, be alright. That was pretty cool.
Actually, you can walk away and then they'd be blasting. There you go.
That's cool shit. Oh.
Fuck, if we are so bored, we gotta film birds eating goddamn bread.
No, you're that fucking bored. I'm not.
I like it, man.
Shit, I ain't getting
I'll probably never do it again, but I got it with goddamn birds. They were a good band. They were a good fucking band.
Now I know how you are.
That was a good movie.
Yeah, that was a good movie, too.
What movie?
Wait,
Birds. The band of birds and the movie
right now,
birds.
Sweet? The birds.
As
when
we
the birds
speak.
were watching.
Oh,
The birds are alive.
Alright, I think we got enough film action here, man. Fuck it. Good enough.